Namaste friends. Let us see how to make a refreshing and rejuvenating radish pickle. I will show you two different ways of making this pickle. In one method we will be using the oil to preserve the pickle, while the other method is using lime juice culture to preserve it. The ingredients required to make this recipe are fresh radishes, ginger rhizomes, turmeric rhizomes, green chilies, turmeric powder, fennel powder, black pepper powder, black mustard seed powder, sesame oil or mustard oil, and rock salt. We just have to peel the vegetables used and cut them into small pieces like this. Here I have used both white and red colored radishes. Both I have peeled and cut into pieces. I have powdered the black mustard seeds, fennel seeds, black pepper, and kept ready. We just have to add all the ingredients one after other. We can also mix all the ingredients in a big bowl and then transfer it into this glass jar. Here we are adding all the ingredients in layers, the fresh vegetables and the powders. We then squeeze fresh lemon juice and finally add the oil. Then we stir the contents well and close the lid of the glass jar and leave it to ferment for a week. In between, we can also stir the contents once in 2 days. After a week, it looks like this and the product is ready to be consumed. Now, we can also preserve these cut vegetables using lime juice culture, that is made using citrus juice and jaggery, where we just ferment the lime juice using jaggery. We take equal quantities of both the lime juice and jaggery and ferment it for 41 days and the lime culture is ready. We just take 2 tablespoons of this culture, add to the contents and mix them well so that they get nicely coated. Then we close the lid and ferment it for 4 to 5 days. After 5 days, the mixture looks like this. There would have been liquid oozed out from the radishes and other vegetables. And here is the pickle that is ready to be consumed. It is very tasty, spicy, having sweet and sour taste. Both versions of the product taste equally amazing, unique in their own way. It is a real immune booster that refreshes and rejuvenates us, yet it is very relaxing due to the presence of the fennel seeds that we used. All the ingredients that we used, like the ginger, turmeric, green chilies, spices, have high antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to fight against any infections, inflammation, and even cancer. And we have also used the pepper spice that increases the absorption of turmeric and its properties. Radishes are also very special because they themselves are very difficult to digest when consumed directly, but when we pickle them like this and use, they become very easy to digest, and also they help to digest all the other food items that we consume. They have natural antifungal properties which help to reduce infections in urinary tract and reproductive organs. They help to burn excess fat, reduce fatty liver, and also maintain healthy heart, liver, kidneys, and gallbladder. The only caution is this product should not be consumed along with the food items like bitter melon, oranges, or the milk. A minimum gap of 4 hours should be maintained if we need to consume these items after consuming this pickle. The shelf life of the product would be 8 months to an year. So let us make this wonderful product before this winter season ends and enjoy its benefits throughout the year. If you have any more questions in making of this product, please join Unify Eco-Friendly Products Telegram group and all your questions will be answered. Thank you.